22 says, an infusion of 1.1 liters sodium chloride 0.9% is to run at 95 mLs per hour. It was started at 11:45 a.m. So I'm going to set up a proportion with my rate and the amount that is infusing. And I need to convert this to mLs and then solve the proportion. And we find that the time is 11.578947 hours. But we do need to express this in hours and minutes. So I need to multiply the entire decimal by 60. And we have the 11 hours. And this is going to be 35 minutes if we round to the nearest whole number. So I multiplied that by 60 and then rounded to the nearest whole number. So that is my infusion time. So notice we did not use the 0.9% at all. To find the completion time, we're starting at 11:45 and adding 11:35. So the minutes column is going to be 80, the hours column is going to be 22, and we can't have an 80 in the minutes column, so I need to subtract 60 and then carry the 1. So that'll be 2320. And then when we're working with AM and PM, we can't have a 23 in the hours column, so I need to subtract 12. And that'll be 1120. And this is going to be 11:20 PM because if you're starting at 11:45 a.m. and it's running for 11 hours and 35 minutes, then that's going to put you at nighttime.